Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 14, food, and today I will deliver its fifth lecture, which is about balanced diet. So my dear students, as you know कि हम previous lectures में food groups के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. 5 प्राइमरी फूड ग्रुप्स थे जिनके बारे में हमने पढ़ा. अब इनको कैसे हम बैलेंस तरीके से कंज्यूम करेंगे ताकि हम हेल्दी रहें. So this will be discussed today. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So these are fruits and vegetables and grains. Quickly tell me, what does fruits and vegetables provide us? Vitamins and minerals. Very good. Which food is rich in which food is rich in energy? Rich in energy. So it is, these are grains which have carbohydrates in them and they are rich source of energy. Okay, my dear students, now it's time for an activity. Okay, quickly look at this boy. He is eating chocolate because he loves chocolate. Now quickly tell me, you like chocolates. Will it be okay if you consume chocolates all the time? आपको अगर चॉकलेट्स बहुत पसंद है खाना तो क्या ये आपके लिए हेल्दी है कि आप हर वक्त चॉकलेट्स ही खाते रहें और कुछ और ना खाएं? Of course not, because this will be not healthy. Similarly, if you like fruits, you like watermelon for example, will it be healthy if you will consume watermelon all the time? आप सिर्फ watermelon खाते रहें और आप और कोई food group को नहीं खाएं? Of course not, क्योंकि इस तरीके से आपकी बॉडी की जो डिफरेंट नीड्स हैं रिलेटेड टू एनर्जी वो पूरी नहीं होंगी, क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी को मिनरल्स भी चाहिए, न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी चाहिए, कैल्शियम भी चाहिए, प्रोटीन भी चाहिए, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी चाहिए. सो एवरीथिंग यू मस्ट कंज्यूम ताकि आपकी बॉडी हेल्दी रहे. और आपको किस पोर्शन में इसे कंज्यूम करना चाहिए, वी विल डिस्कस दिस. So my dear students, in today's lecture, students will be able to define a balanced diet. They will be able to recognize that healthy living requires a balanced diet, keeping clean, sleeping well, and exercising regularly. So my dear students, आज आप define कर पाएंगे balanced diet को. इसके अलावा कैसे आप balanced diet के साथ कौन कौन सी different activities को अपनी daily life में अगर इन्वॉल्व करेंगे तो आप हेल्दी रहेंगे. वी विल डिस्कस दैट ऑल्सो. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द इस्लामिक पर्सपेक्टिव, ओ बिलीवर्स, ईट फ्रॉम द गुड थिंग्स वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड फॉर यू एंड गिव थैंक्स टू अल्लाह इफ यू ट्रूली वर्शिप हिम अलोन. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह ताला ने जो हमें बेशुमार नेमतें दी हैं खाने पीने की, हमें चाहिए कि हम उनमें से हेल्दीएस्ट और हलाल चीज़ों को अपने लिए सिलेक्ट करें सो दैट वी कैन कीप आवरसेल्व्स हेल्दी, एंड वी मस्ट थैंक गॉड ऑल्सो. So my dear students, pre-reading questions. So quickly tell me, what is a balanced diet? If you will eat everything in a balanced portion, that is called a balanced diet. And do you think fast foods are included in a balanced diet? No way. Fast food is not a part of your balanced diet. Maybe some of it, जो कि थोड़ा सा healthy हो, but most of it is not healthy for you, so stay away from it. Okay, my dear students, now it's time for reading. Quickly open page number 134 in your GK3 books. I hope you have opened the page. So my dear students, let's quickly look at this balanced diet chart. So यहाँ आपकी एक plate बनी हुई है. This is your plate. अब आपकी plate में कौन सा portion कितना होना चाहिए, कितनी चीज़ें ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. So let's have a look. So fruits and vegetables, 8 portions, 5 to 8 portions. Then bread, rice, potato and pasta, 7 to 8 portions. So आप अगर देखें तो आपके largest portions जो हैं वो हैं carbohydrates के और fruits and vegetables के. Then 2 to 3 portion meat, beans and non-dairy products. Then 1 to 2 portion sugary food and fats. And then comes 2 to 3 portions milk and dairy. So आपके जो सबसे बड़ा portion है, that is of fruits and vegetables and bread, rice, potato and pasta that provides with energy. These are carbohydrates. और बाकी चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपको 2 to 3 या 1 or 2 portion में लेनी है. सबसे कम आपको चीनी और फैट लेना है. Okay, my dear students, now quickly open page number 133 for your reading. I hope you have opened it. So let's quickly read about balanced diet. A diet that contains proper portion of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water necessary to good health as per standard or as per requirement of diet chart is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet supplies required nutrients in the correct amount to our body for its proper functioning. It includes a specific portion from each food group. So my dear students, very important thing to note कि एक बैलेंस डाइट में तमाम फूड ग्रुप्स से आइटम्स एडेड होते हैं एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट, आपकी बॉडी के रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से या आपकी डाइट चार्ट के हिसाब से, एंड दे मस्ट कंटेन एवरीथिंग, यानी कि फ्रॉम एवरी फूड ग्रुप, ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स भी, मीट भी, डेयरी भी एंड कार्ब्स भी. इन सब चीज़ों को अगर आप प्रॉपर पोर्शन में लेंगे देन इट विल बी अ बैलेंस डाइट फॉर योर गुड हेल्थ. So factors for healthy living, eating a balanced diet. So सबसे पहली चीज आपको healthy lifestyle के लिए है आपका balanced diet लेना. So the food that we eat in breakfast, lunch and meal contains all food nutrients in proper proportion according to our body requirement. Such type of diet will provide required energy and keep us healthy. So my dear students, आपका breakfast, lunch and your last meal which is your dinner, they must contain balanced diet, यानी कि उनके अंदर तमाम food groups में से चीज़ें जो है वो added होनी चाहिए. तभी जो है अगर आप इस तरीके से अपना food consume करेंगे तभी आप अपने आप को healthy रख सकेंगे. So balanced diet, a balanced diet having all nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers and fats. We cannot miss any nutrient from our diet. It will happen. If will happen, we will become ill. और अगर आप इसमें से कुछ भी मिस करेंगे तो आप weak और बीमार हो जाएंगे. Okay, my dear students, grains, bread, rice and pasta, these are them. You must consume them in 7 to 8 portions. Fruits and vegetables, you must contain them in 5 to 8 portions. Then sugary food and fat, you must contain it in 1 to 2 portion only. And then comes your dairy products, and eggs you must contain, and meat. Everything you will take its portion in 2 to 3. Okay. So my dear students, now is time for an independent activity given on page number 133. From which food group you ate yesterday? ठीक है, आपने कल कौन से food group में से खाया था? आपको हर चीज़ को ऐड करना है, पहले breakfast में, then lunch and dinner. Okay, आप अपनी इस काम के लिए notebook को भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, the food item I took for breakfast, it was egg and bread. So bread belongs to grains. Then for lunch, I took roti and chicken. And I also took some watermelon. For dinner, I took rice and some dal. And I also took some potatoes. So अब आपको इस तरीके से इसका food group बताना है. Breads belong to carbohydrates, and then comes roti and chicken, they belong to meat and carbohydrates. Rice, dal and potatoes, they belong to grains, pulses, legumes, and then potatoes belong to vegetables. So this is how you will complete your food group. Then next come your second activity, or I mean activity 1B. So here you may seek help from the tips given below. यहाँ पे कुछ आपको tips दी गई हैं जिनसे आप इसे complete कर सकते हैं. Was the diet in activity A balanced? Remove or add some food items to make it a balanced diet. अच्छा, अब आपने जो chart 1 complete किया है from your previous day breakfast, lunch and dinner, अब आपको ये बताना है कि क्या आपकी डाइट बैलेंस थी. इफ नॉट, आप क्या चीज़ ऐड करेंगे या क्या चीज़ निकालेंगे. सो आपके लिए ये है कि ऐड हेल्दी प्रोटीन्स, पीनट बटर, हमस, एग, योगर्ट, मिल्क टू योर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो आपके ब्रेकफास्ट में दही, अंडा और प्रोटीन होना चाहिए जैसे कि पीनट बटर. सो इस तरह की चीजें. अब मेरी डाइट में अंडा शामिल था, so my breakfast was healthy. Next, add fruits, beans, fish, cheese, olives and many different types of greens and grains to your lunch. अब मेरे lunch में protein भी था, there was chicken and there was also carbs, which was roti, and I also took some fruits. So my lunch was also healthy. Then comes your last lunch, last dinner, last meal: pasta, sauté vegetables, a little fish, a few beans or to your dinner. So mera dinner bhi healthy tha. I took some rice. There was also dal in it, which are part of pulses, and I also took potatoes, which are part of veggies. So my dinner was also healthy. So this is how you can take help from this, and you can complete this table also. So my dear students, breakfast में आपको peanut butter, dairy और या आपको eggs लेने चाहिए या yogurt लेनी चाहिए. इसके अलावा lunch में आपको vegetables, proteins, fruits, मीट या कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में से कुछ लेना चाहिए. देन कम्स योर डिनर. फॉर डिनर यू मस्ट टेक सम वेजिटेबल्स, क्योंकि डिनर आपका लाइट होना चाहिए. तो सॉटेड वेजिटेबल्स विथ सम पास्ता, बीन्स एंड सम फिश टू कीप योर सेल्फ लाइट. इनमें से कुछ भी आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. For evaluation, I will ask some questions, answer them orally. Okay, what is a balanced diet? Which contains carbohydrates, which contains everything from the food groups: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and dairy products to keep ourselves healthy. Next, why is it important to have a balanced diet? We must have a balanced diet to keep ourselves healthy and fit. Then what will happen if we miss specific food group for a longer time? So this is how we can keep ourselves weak and ill. अगर आप एक food group को ज़्यादा देर तक के लिए skip कर देंगे तो आपकी body में कोई भी deficiency हो सकती है. It could be mineral deficiency, it could be a nutrient deficiency, protein deficiency. So जब आप हर चीज़ को proper portion में लेके खाएंगे, so that is how you can keep yourself healthy. Otherwise you will be deficient and you can get sick. So now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So write balanced or unbalanced below each meal. So my dear students, here some meals are given. So underneath each picture, you have to write कि क्या ये balanced है या नहीं है. So in the first picture, there are vegetables and there is some rice, spinach. So is it balanced or unbalanced? I think this is a balanced diet. So next is junk food with chocolates and pizza. So is it balanced or unbalanced? Of course, this is unbalanced. Then next is sorted vegetables. These are balanced. Last one is pasta and bread, and this is also balanced. So what is balanced diet? Define balanced diet. You can also take help from your book. So pause the video and complete this worksheet. I hope everybody has finished it. Now we will move forward towards your homework. For homework, you will do question number 3 and 4 given on page number 139. Define the balanced diet. What are the harms of taking a poor diet? So अगर आप एक poor diet consume करेंगे तो आपको क्या नुकसान होगा? And for a balanced diet, what is the balanced diet? Use your notebook for this purpose. So my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. For wrap up, today we have learned that a diet having all nutrients and balance is a balanced diet. We should take all nutrients in our meal. If we not take any nutrients for a long time, we will become ill. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Take a balanced diet. Stay healthy. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.